Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are heading to work. We are taking the long route going into work kasi sarado na naman yung freeway natin dito sa Vegas. Last week sinarado nila yung north side. This weekend sinarado nila yung south side. So apektado yung papasok natin. So imikot tayo sa 215. Honestly guys, I'm not sure if this video is gonna make it online. I'm just recording, but we'll see what happens. It hasn't been a really good last few days. In particular sa family namin, in my wife's family actually, we lost a family member October 4th. I'm just not sure, like I said, kung anong day natin to, if ma-upload ko to. So I think saying the actual date would actually make more sense instead of saying yesterday or 2 days ago. But yeah, it was October 4th. Due to medical complications, of course. Hindi ko na ilagay yung detail dito kung bakit siya nawala. But it's a big loss, you know, especially for my wife and her family. To my mother-in-law, you know, nag-yuda na siya. And it sucks, you know, because you just don't have the motivation to really do anything. I feel restless, you know. I guess it's part of pagluluksa, you know, you're grieving for the loss of a loved one, and it's never easy. I feel bad. I feel really sad for my wife and her family, of course. The bond that they have with their family is just something inspirational. They're really close, you know, lagi sila magkakasama. They're always throwing dinners and lunch. Lutong bahay lang, but sama-sama. And it's sad seeing all that the whole family is affected of the loss of a loved one. Very unexpected talaga. Sobrang bilis ng pangyayari. If I look back into it now, just past few days, just boom, you know, sunod-sunod. Like, it's like you don't even have any ways to help or to do anything, just to wait, and hopefully everything works out, that he comes through it. So, you know, just the right thing to do now is to really just support the family. My wife, of course, sinabi ko rin sa kanya na wag muna siyang umuwi sa bahay, samahan niya muna yung si mama para it's hard, you know, it's never easy. Siyempre ngayon si mama mag-isa na lang siya dahil wala na si papa, kaya yeah, but we'll make adjustment. I'm sure there is some acceptance, some sort of acceptance within the family, but it would never be easy. As the day goes, the more you will feel the loss, the person. But all we can do now is to really just, you know, be there for each other and make sure that we have that support system and remember him on the good days, celebrate his life. So if you guys are watching and this video makes it online, please pray for my father-in-law. Pray for his eternal rest. He's now with our Creator God, and he's in a better place. No more pain, and you know, just look out for us here, yung mga naiwan. Rest in peace pa. tutuloy na lang natin tonight after work. We'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Pasensya na kayo kung wala tayong energy. Yes, it's hard, you know. This is situations that happens in our lives na we have no control over. Yeah. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Yo, what's up guys? Uwian na tayo ulit. Wala na raw akong gas. Kaya yan. Walang cardo si George tonight kasi gamit niya yung R6 niya. Pinipilit ko siya na dalhin niya yung R1 niya bukas para makita naman natin. At least sunset na, hindi na ganun kainit. It's 96 degrees right now. Pero kanina ata nag 102 pa rin kami. Pero mabilis naman bumaba yung weather dito sa Vegas once na nawala yung araw. By the way guys, natapos na pala yung project namin ni Jeff. If you guys remember in the past video, si Jeff yung old friend ko na since 2000 pa, early 2000s. Siya yung tinulungan natin kumuha at saka magpa-register ng Vespa. Natapos na yung project namin, na-upload na kahapon. I'm gonna share the video here. Kuha tayo ng mga snippets para ma-share natin sa inyo yung mga highlights ng video. And then you can go ahead and check the channel. And if you guys, kung okay lang sa inyo, mag-subscribe na rin kayo kasi may mga gagawin siyang series, kwentuhan series regarding, you know, Filipino workers here abroad. Kaya kung magkaroon kayo ng chance, paki-support na lang yung channel niya. Tayo yung unang-una niyang na-interview or na-feature. Tayo ang guinea pig ng kanyang channel. Kaya guys, please, if you can, support the channel. The different reactions is what probably gives me the drive, you know, to do what I do. You come to America to work, you know, and you know, it depends. You go to school, you work, you know, the opportunity is here for you to make the money. But it's, the way I see it, I think it's not always the answer to have the wealth. You know, I think you have to balance your life and, you know, find what will fuel your whole being as a person to have a fruitful life. Ilalagay natin yung channel niya dito sa upper left. Tignan nyo na lang, or since you're watching, it's gonna be on the upper right. Nakailaw na yung gas tank natin, pero sabi naman sa range meron pa tayong 29 miles. Aabot yun kasi 25 lang naman from work eh. Ang bilis ng dumilim. I think soon it might be first week of November. First week nga ba na November or end of October? Hindi, usually first week yan eh. Mag-a-adjust na naman kami ng oras niyan. So soon, pagka malamig na, coming into the fall season, grabe yung usok. Coming into the fall season, magde-daylight saving time na kami niyan. So what it means is 4:30 pa lang ng hapon, madilim na. Kaya from that point, going into the fall season, yung mga uwi namin na nakamotor, sigurado madilim na lagi lahat. i-exit tayo dito. Usually, pag dito ako dumadaan guys, ibig sabihin na magpapagasolina tayo. Kasi yung Shell na pinupuntahan natin nandito sa kanto. Ay. Kano kaya ang sisingilin sa atin sa gas? Medyo sinagad-sagad natin yung gasolina natin. Siguro mga $21 to 22. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so this is where it ends. Tapos na ang ating vlog for today. Nag-work lang naman tayo, tsaka nag-update lang tayo ng konti sa inyo. Hope everyone's doing well, and I hope that everybody's staying healthy. Alagaan nyo mabuti yung mga sarili nyo guys. If you guys can, every chance that you get is a good chance. It's an opportunity. Tell your loved ones that you love them. Hug them, kiss them, be around them, you know, if you guys can. Alam ko minsan nagkakasungitan na yan. I do it. Everybody does it. But if you guys can, like I said, give time to the people that loves you and you love, of course, you know. Yung mga magulang nyo, yung mga nanay at tatay nyo, lalo na yung mga grandparents nyo. You guys spend time with them. Tell them you love them, and you know, love them. Time is precious. Next thing you know, wala na. And it's sad, you know, it's sad. Pangit yung marami kang pagsisisihan kasi hindi mo ginawa nung may chance ka dahil masyado kang busy. Busy for what? You know what I mean? Iwan muna natin siguro si Multistrada dito sa harap ng bahay para lumamig siya. Sobrang init. Alright guys, that's it for us. We'll see you guys on the next video. And God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.